Once upon a time, in a neglected neighborhood where hope seemed like a distant dream, there lived a group of underprivileged kids with a burning passion for sports. Despite the odds stacked against them, limited resources, crumbling infrastructure, and a lack of support, they harbored a shared dream: to compete in the prestigious citywide sports competition. The journey began with a spark of determination as they signed up for the tournament, greeted by skepticism and mocking glances from their more privileged peers. Undeterred, they assembled makeshift equipment, cleared a patch of wasteland for a playing field, and began their rigorous training regimen. Day and night, they poured their hearts into their preparation, running drills, practicing plays, and honing their skills with whatever they could find. Along the way, they faced setbacks, injuries, doubts, and moments of despair, but they refused to surrender to the harsh realities of their circumstances. Their perseverance attracted the attention of a few compassionate souls in the community, who offered words of encouragement, donated equipment, and even volunteered as coaches. With newfound support, the Underdog team found renewed strength and determination to chase their dreams against all odds. As the day of the competition drew near, excitement and nervousness filled the air. Despite facing teams with state-of-the-art facilities and professional coaching, the Underdogs remained undaunted. They knew that their unity, resilience, and unwavering spirit were their greatest weapons on the battlefield. Match after match, they astonished spectators with their tenacity, determination, and sheer skill. With each victory, their confidence grew, fueling their belief that they were destined for greatness. Their journey from obscurity to acclaim inspired not only their fellow underdogs but also the entire community, who rallied behind them with unwavering support. Finally, the moment of truth arrived: the championship match against the reigning champions, a formidable opponent feared by all. The stakes were high, the tension palpable, but the Underdog team stood tall, ready to face their ultimate test. In a thrilling display of skill, determination, and teamwork, they battled fiercely, refusing to concede defeat. Every pass, every tackle, every shot was executed with precision and passion. And when the final whistle blew, it was not the favorites who emerged victorious but the Underdogs, triumphing against all odds to claim the championship title. Their victory was not just a celebration of athletic prowess but a testament to the power of resilience, unity, and never giving up on your dreams. As they hoisted the trophy high, amidst tears of joy and chants of triumph, they knew that they were more than just underdogs, they were champions, inspiring others to believe that anything is possible with determination and courage.